In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share any web page with the Buffer Chrome extension. First, open Google Chrome. We'll be working entirely inside the browser, and this process assumes you already have the Buffer extension installed and visible. At the top right of Chrome, beside your profile picture, click the extensions icon. It looks like a small puzzle piece. This opens a drop-down showing your installed extensions. From that list, select the Buffer extension. This opens Buffer's sharing window. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in to your Buffer account. Go ahead and enter your credentials securely and complete any verification if your account requires it. Once you're signed in, you'll be ready to compose and schedule content. Now, navigate to a web page you want to share. This could be a blog post, an article, a product page, or any link you think your audience will find useful. Give the page a moment to load fully so Buffer can capture the URL and any available preview information. With the page open, click the Buffer extension icon again. A Compose window will appear with the link automatically attached. In the caption box, add your content. Keep your message clear and engaging. Summarize why the link matters, highlight a key takeaway, or invite your audience to comment. Consider adding relevant hashtags for discoverability and an emoji or two if it matches your brand voice. Always double check for accuracy and avoid including any sensitive information. Next, select your social media channel. You can choose one or multiple profiles connected to your Buffer account, such as a professional page, a community group, or a personal profile. If you're posting to multiple networks, remember that character limits and formatting can vary, so keep your caption concise enough to work everywhere you've selected. Finally, decide how you want the post to go out. Click. Add to queue to place your content into Buffer's preset schedule, which is great for maintaining a consistent posting rhythm without micromanaging times. Choose Schedule Post if you want to pick a specific date and time for this piece, perfect for coordinating with campaigns or time zones. Or select Publish immediately if the content is time sensitive and you want it live right now. That's it. You opened Chrome, accessed the Buffer extension, logged in if needed, chose a page, crafted your caption, selected your channels, and picked the best publishing option for your goal. You're all set to share smarter, faster, and more consistently with Buffer.